So with the eclipse happening in a few hours, we thought we'd get you ready with a last-minute fun idea that you can do with the entire family.
Yeah, even if they're not home watching it with you, you can still do this as a family thing tonight, just in time for dinner.
Just in time for dinner. Let's welcome back our friend, cookbook author Courtney Hill, who is going to show us some out-of-this-world cookie decorating designs.
Yes. All right. So
we're happy to have you.
Are you ready for the eclipse?
Yes, I am. Micah gave me some glasses.
Okay, perfect.
I'm ready now.
I was like, we didn't want you to look like Marge on
Marge
there.
Simpson.
You know,
I know,
so
that's hilarious.
as long as you have the glasses.
All right, so I asked you while we were at break, I said, do these taste as good as they look? Because we have some finished ones here.
Yes.
Look at how beautiful these are.
Those are super pretty.
You guys, so beautiful. So you're going to show us how to do this, decorate.
Yes.
And then we're going to eat them because that's what we like to do.
Oh, they're so, I mean, yes, these are really, really good cookies.
Okay.
I pride myself on my cookies. This is the recipe from my cookbook. And I also have in there my buttercream recipe and my color flow recipe, which is what makes it look like this. Okay, so we're going to show you a few different techniques. They look really awesome, but they're super simple.
Okay.
So the first one I'm going to show you is the galaxy one.
Okay.
And you're just going to, on a plate,
Oh,
Okay.
We need some Star Wars music in a galaxy far, far away. Come on, Micah.
just make it all messy.
Oh,
I
this
have-
is fun. Look at this.
Oh gosh, I have blue, purple, you could even do some pink.
Yeah, how about some
I
pink?
got some white.
Sorry, I'm just taking
No,
it.
that's totally fine.
Let's do it.
And then you just literally dip your cookie
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh.
and you got yourself a little
But
galaxy.
then you kind of like, it settles and
it
starts
settles down, yeah.
Okay.
And you can kind of take a knife and you can swirl it.
Oh, Tony.
Oh, wait. Okay, I need to
You need to
swirl.
kind of level around there.
Tony.
Boom, there we go. And this is why Courtney is the pro and I go buy my cookies out of the store.
Let me
Maybe
put in
we just
some
need
more
some
colors.
more.
Yeah, we need
There
some
we
more
go.
colors.
I just need some more. That's it.
We got the music. Thanks, Micah. Great job.
There we go. Okay, try that one.
All right.
Okay.
Let's try this one.
After every cookie, put a little more color in it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, that's better. That's way
Wow, there
better.
we go. It matches my dress.
I love it.
And
Oh,
then you can add some little dots that are stars.
Oh
and
my
you just like, you
gosh.
you take your tool and you go out like that. And you got like some little stars.
oh my gosh, I love
Like
that.
that one.
That looks so
Okay.
cool. Okay, what about the,
The next technique is called a wet on wet technique.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put my blue in there and I'm gonna go with blue and white.
Okay.
Kind of a Marsy, no, what is that?
I don't know.
Venus?
I think
whatever.
Mars isn't Mars supposed to be red? I don't know.
You know,
And you
Look
just
at
swirl it
that.
around.
space
Nothing
topics were
crazy.
never my thing in school.
Science. Tony and I were too busy talking in class. We didn't-
Exactly.
Yeah, we were the
That's
kids.
why we're here.
That's why we're here. We
Pluto was still a planet when I was in school.
So true. We were too busy talking in class.
Yes.
Yep.
And you just kind of swirl around. You can use a toothpick for this is my special needle tool, but you can definitely use a toothpick.
Okay.
And I like to put the buttercream around the outside, which I've done for you guys.
Yeah.
It just keeps all the color flow in instead of falling
So
off the
how,
cookie.
how long do we need to let this kind of settle?
Sit before we can eat it.
Oh, you can eat them immediately.
Oh,
If you
oh,
want them
really?
to be
Okay.
nice and kind of hard, then you would. I do overnight, but a couple hours. is
Overnight?
fine.
No way
Yeah.
these are making it that long.
Okay.
This one is called a wet on dry technique,
Okay.
where I did the color swirl for the planet and I let that dry, and then
Okay.
I added the circle.
I'm
what is
trying
that
to
called?
make Earth.
orbit.
Oh.
What is that called? The ring? It's just a ring. Okay.
I think it's just the ring. No, those are stars, Micah. Micah's trying to tell us the wrong thing in our ears,
Whatever
so we look
this
silly.
part is on the
I think
planet.
those are just the
I
rings.
think it's just a ring. Yes. And then for the moon one,
Yeah.
I covered it in the gray and then I
Yeah.
let it harden almost all the way, and then
Okay.
I took these tools and just went boop, 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 boop.
That is so cool.
Let's
So
see.
that's really fun too.
Have world peace on my Earth.
Oh my gosh, let's see, Tony. Tony, I don't know about your Earth.
Hold on, I'm not finished.
Oh, sorry.
I need a tool.
Tony's like, it's
Okay, you
not
want this
done
one?
It's
yet.
not
Don't
done
judge me.
yet. Exactly.
All right, you know what is done though?
What planet is that?
This is the planet Carrie.
What planet is that? I love it. Let me see. That is.
This is the planet.
That
From a
is-
different solar system.
This is
maybe.
the planet-
Kind of Jupiter-ish.
Carrie.
Maybe? Jupiter. Carrie's
I'm still
Jupiter.
making Earth. Hold on, give me a second. I was too busy looking at that.
She was too
That
blind.
with
That
the-
is really
she was
good.
blinded
with
by
the
the
aliens on
creativity of
there.
mine.
Okay, wait. I need some more blue. I gotta get some more water in my Earth. Okay.
Kids love to decorate cookies. I decorate cookies with my friend every Christmas.
There
and
we
we just
go.
have the kids
I will
over.
say-
We have all, you could do sprinkles, you
These
could do so
taste
many
delicious.
things.
Gotta fill in.
Courtney, Thank you so much as always. I'm going to read this last line. And Tony, show them your thing while I read this.
I'm very impressed.
I need the white.
For more information on Courtney, just visit her website, cookhomemade.net. You can also find her cookbook there. It's called Homemade. We'll have these tips on our website later this afternoon. Maybe we should get people to vote on whose cookie is better.
Well,
mine will be eaten by then, so that won't work.
You're gonna eat yours.
That won't work.